What's going on YouTube? In this edition of How to Do Everything, I'm going to show you guys how to repair your Samsung front load washing machines, the newer models, when they display the code ND, Nancy David, on the display panel. And what that means is no drain. And usually it means your drain is clogged or your pump that actually pumps the water out of the washing machine is clogged. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. Real simple. If this is your problem, this is just a troubleshooting video, so it doesn't always mean that that is your exact problem. It could be a bad pump also. But this is a great place to start. Save you guys some money on a repair call for something really simple. Little disclaimer though, this is for the Samsungs with the access port on the front of the washing machine. The older Samsungs, you'll actually have to take off the back panel of the washing machine. It's not that difficult, but it is a little more lengthy process. So we're going to show you guys how to do this. Do consult a professional. I always recommend you consult a professional when doing stuff like this. This is merely an educational video. I don't recommend you go out and just start working on your appliances. So check with a professional and enjoy. The thing we're going to do, guys, and I always recommend doing this whenever you work with appliances or anything electrical, unplug the washing machine. Set the cord off to the side so you don't drop it. Always unplug your electronics when you're working on them. You never want to risk getting shocked or electrocuted anything. Or frying any part of your product while you have it open. So definitely unplug it. So in the front of the machine you can see this access port. This is going to give you access to the this is going to give you access to the pump that actually pumps the water out to drain your washing machine. So what we're going to do, I recommend putting some towels down, slide one a little bit underneath and also in front. It is going to leak some water when you open it. So we'll open it here, and as you can see, there's a small drain tube, and there's also a larger, right here, a larger opening, and this is going to give you access to the inside of the pump so that you can clear out any debris. Now I can tell you, if your washing machine ended mid-cycle with the ND air, you probably have some residual water in there, so be ready for some water to come out. So let's go ahead and pop this off first. We'll just twist it. It's like a screw. It's going to thread off. Keep your hands pinched on it when you're unthreading it here. As you can see, water is going to squirt out here. I got it pinched off. This is going to pre-drain your pump. There is a lot of water going to come out of here, so we're going to cap this and get a bigger towel. I'm afraid this is going to soak right through here. I think that's good enough for now. It's draining still, but when I lift it up a little bit it stops. So I think we're pretty low on the water level there. And of course I'm sure you can hear my dog in the background getting a drink of water. Got enough over here, she could probably take a drink out of this. So go ahead and put the towel back under the access door, and we're going to remove this cover now so that we can see what's inside here. Alright, let's get repositioned here. Go ahead and just twist it. Should unthread here. Alright, oh yeah, more water coming out. Oh yeah, she's nice and dirty. And they give you a little filter in here. Wow, that's a lot of water. So be careful, a lot more water comes out when you do this. Apparently my washing machine was more full than I thought. Oh, that's nasty. So, we have a house full of dogs. As you can tell by this filter here. This is a very nice fail-proof or fail-safe, but if you don't pay attention to this, it'll get clogged like this one is, and it'll cause your your washing machine to not drain properly. Or in this case, it seems like at all. So we want to clean this filter out. I'm going to take it over to the sink and actually clean it out thoroughly. It's pretty nasty, but when you have dogs, it's not as nasty to me. So I'm going to clean this out and I'll show you guys how to reinstall it. And also we're going to inspect up inside there and make sure in the tube here, or in the orifice of the pump, we're going to make sure there's nothing actually clogging inside there. And then we'll put this thing back together and it should fix it. Okay, we've got the filter cleaned out. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. As you can see, it is much cleaner now. We've removed all the dog hair, all the particles. We actually found a penny in there, so that's a big issue. They say clean out your pockets is important, definitely, because that could get clogged in the pump and cause damage to the impeller. So we're going to take a look inside here, and it doesn't look too bad. There is some debris in there, but overall it looks pretty good. It doesn't look like anything's blocking the path. So we're going to go ahead and just wipe this debris out of here, and we'll put this thing back together, and it should be good to go. We've got our filter or our orifice cleaned here. We're going to go ahead and put our filter, our catch element, back in here. We'll just stick it in and we'll thread it back in. Let's see here, it goes in here a certain way. There it goes. Alright, there. And we'll push this up out of the way. Make sure all the water's out of this door. I had to pat mine down. I had a lot of residual water, and when you close that door, it's going to drain everywhere. So make sure that's clean. Go ahead and push this up out of the way. Close this door. And there you have it. Wipe down any of the residue from it. And now we will plug the machine back in, turn it on, and let's see what we got. So there you have it. As you can see, the machine's working perfectly. We plugged it back in, put the access cover back on, went ahead and started the load over again. Working great, got no issues at all. And I hope that helps you guys. It'll save a ton of money on expenses, repair calls, service calls, whatnot. Because odds are that's what the person's going to come out and do. They're going to check that first. That doesn't mean that that's it. I don't want to tell you not to go repairman, but they're going to check that first. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure and subscribe to my channel. I've got more videos coming. This is how to do everything. We do how-to videos on everything. Who knows what we're going to do a how-to video on next. So subscribe. Be sure and like the video. Comment if you want to see some how-to videos on certain things. I would love to hear your input and suggestions. And we'll see you guys in the next video.